Oh, the ground's hot. Nice.
Do you have any idea how many birthdays there are in a year? Hundreds. Literally hundreds. This is just one of them.
You know, sometimes when you out on the road, doing shows, whatever, opening for Miley Cyrus, playing with the Jonas Brothers, you know, that shit. You gon' see some young girls out in the audience coming backstage, you know. Sometimes I wonder how they look so good, and I wonder where they got that full ass from. Oh my God, girl, you know your ass drives me insane in the brain. I go crazy when I see that thing. It's so beautiful. Yeah, little girl, tell me how your ass is full. Yeah, tell me how your ass is full. Please, little girl, tell me how your ass is full. Tell me how your ass is full. You know that I like you from a young age. Third grade class, I was in the back. You were sitting in the front, never holding back. I wanna hold your hand, but I'm afraid that you won't back. It's so hard to express what I'm feeling. Getting caught up in something and then end up feeling. It's what I'm feeling now, feeling uncompleted now. I need your ass kept me in class. Little girl, tell me how your ass is full. Yeah, tell me how your ass is full. Please, little girl, tell me how your ass is full. Yeah, tell me how your ass is full. Oh, baby, your booty. Your booty's so juicy. It's juice to want, baby. It looks sexy.
Epic 11 stair.
Yeah, now that I think about it, that's kinda weird.
Back to back.
I'm in heaven with your booty. I'm talking about your booty. Your booty's talking about me. Singing about yours.
God, it looks like crazy.
Please, little girl, tell me how your ass is full. And tell me how your ass is full. Little girl, tell me how your